The meditation is supposed to have a purifying effect. Like if you drive a car, you reach a certain destination. If you do a meditation, you need to reach a certain destination. What is the destination out of meditation? The destination of meditation is to cleanse your chakras. The planetary peace meditation has a destination. The planetary peace meditation has a destination. The destination of the planetary peace meditation is to cleanse your aura of all unnecessary thought patterns, unnecessary programs, all kinds of energies which you have accumulated as opinions and from people around. That is what will be removed during the simple meditation called as the planetary peace meditation. Are you getting my point? Meditation has a purifying effect. It strengthens your connection to your soul. Meditation has a purifying effect. What is the purpose or what is the outcome that we will receive from this meditation? When it purifies you, repeat, when it purifies you, then you can easily connect to your Atma. And when you connect to your Atma, the Atma will give you divine guidance. For example, if you are connected to your Atma, just before demonetization, you will end up removing all your cash and not get stuck with large amount of unnecessary cash. If you are connected to your Atma, just before something like a lockdown comes in, maybe you will pick up a different right path which will help you with certain right direction. The Atma is all encompassing, all knowing. It can see the future, the present, and the past. Sometimes the guidance of the Atma is not liked by an ordinary person because he cannot see so extensively and he thinks that there is an illogical direction which is given by a person who is meditating or by the Atma itself. Listen to me, listen to me. Sometimes what direction you may get when you get connected with the Atma may not be seeming logical, but that would be the right direction when you see the overall picture, which as a Jivatma you are not able to see. Many times you are not able to see the overall picture of your life or while you are guiding others because you are seeing from the level of the Jivatma. But when you meditate and purify yourself, you start seeing your objectives of life and others' lives through the eyes of the Paramatma. That is the purpose of meditation. What is the purpose of the planetary peace meditation? It purifies you, it strengthens you, your connection to your higher soul is strengthened. Meditation speeds up the evolutionary process by gradually purifying the negative tendencies. If man has to progress, if man has to evolve, इंसान का विकास होना है तो उसे आत्मा के साथ एकाग्रत होना है, उसके दिव्य मार्गदर्शन पे चलना ही होगा. If man has to evolve, and as I have told you again and again and again, on the path of real spiritual progress comes grandeur, wealth, happiness, success, right relationships on its own. ये सब अपने आप आएगा जब हम अपने अंदर की competition खत्म करें. When we finish off with the sense of competition, when we finish off with the sense of separatedness, that I am separate from everybody else, I am separate from God, I am separate from the Guru, I am separate from my friends. When I eliminate that I am separate, and if they are successful, it is not my success. Being unhappy when others are successful because I feel they are separate from me. When I eliminate all these negative tendencies of separatedness, then the process of oneness or alignment with the Atma starts. So the meditation speeds up this evolutionary process. The meditation speeds up this evolutionary process. Yes?